Hello, it's Steve LG and my channel Sustainability Speaking. Today I'm just going to do an update to a video that I made in the spring when COVID first started affecting our lives, and we were asked to wear face masks, which was a new experience for us in North America. So we've been actively trying to encourage people to wear their masks, and they are uncomfortable and a nuisance. However, since we have to wear them, let's try to make it comfortable as possible. Updated the videos that I made so far with these two covers with real practical solution. This cloth or paper mask is the one that I've found I use the most. I have real cloth cover masks, but I tend to lose them or misplace them, and this just seems to be a reliable method to depend on. So here's my original cover. The only addition I'm going to do is I'm going to punch more holes along the front, because this will be an insert to the cloth cover. You can see, oops, well, almost. It sits pretty nice in there. So you put it on. It tucks in and down. Like, it really holds the mask well to your face. My chin, the stubble on my chin isn't grabbing the mask. I can talk freely. It's a nice little air pocket. To me, this is an excellent solution to people with irritation from the paper mask. I hope it works for you. Thank you. Steve LG, Sustainability Speaking.
Hey, if you got value from this video, please tap the like button. Also, if you like future videos, subscribe and tap the bell icon. You'll receive notifications for those as well. Once again, Steve LG, and thank you very much. This is my channel, Sustainability Speaking.